In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on a Google form. If you've ever needed a teammate to help draft questions, double-check settings, or review responses with you, collaboration in Google Forms makes that smooth and secure. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that your form is already created and open in Google Forms. Remember, collaborators are editors. They can change questions, adjust settings, and see responses. So only invite people you trust to work on the form with you. With your form open, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to open a small menu of advanced options. From that menu, choose Add Collaborators. This opens the sharing window where you'll control who can edit the form. In the Add Editors box, type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add one person or several, and you can paste multiple addresses if you already have them collected. If the people you're inviting are in your contacts, their names may autocomplete as you type, which helps avoid typos. Take a moment here to double-check spelling. An accurate email is essential for granting the right person access. You'll also see an option labeled Notify People. Keep this box checked if you want Google Forms to send them an email with an invitation link. This is the easiest way to make sure collaborators know they've been added and can jump in right away. If you prefer not to send a notification, you can uncheck it, but be aware they won't receive an email alert and may not realize they have access unless you tell them. When you're ready, click Send. That's it, your collaborators now have editor access to the form. You'll typically see them listed in the sharing window, and they can begin editing immediately. Everyone's changes save automatically, so you can work together in real time without worrying about version control. As you collaborate, keep in mind that editors can modify questions, change the theme and settings, and view responses. So coordinate on major edits and communicate clearly about who's doing what. If at any point you need to review who has access, you can return to the same place to check the list of editors. Collaboration in Google Forms is designed to be simple and reliable, helping teams move faster and produce better forms. That's the process from start to finish. Open your form, use the More menu, add your editors, decide whether to notify them, and click Send. Happy collaborating.